Hi, my name is Samantha Del Rosario, and this is my week 3 discussion for POL493. In this week's discussion, I'm going to be talking about my city's budgeting system. So I currently live in the city of Rancho Cucamonga, so that's what area I'm going to be talking about today. As you can see here, this is our operating revenues for 2019-2020. In the upper left-hand corner, this is 2019, and the lower right-hand corner is 2020. It is divided in different categories to let us know what income we are getting, and it allows you to see if it has increased, decreased, or even stayed the same throughout the year. And here is our general funding, and it also gives us a breakdown on where our funding is coming from. And this is our operating expenditures for 2019-2020. As the same as the revenue, it breaks it down and allows us to see what areas we are spending our money. So the purpose of this is it allows us to look at the open budget dashboard, which is designed to help us develop and understand what the city is trying to budget on and what these funds are being spent on. So the website is very informative with how our city works and how we are wanting to spend our money and if it is worth spending our money on that, etc. So it's just a very informative website to look at. And say if I wanted to look for a job, I would go to the city website. I am in Rancho Cucamonga, so I would go to City of Rancho Cucamonga, and you would click on careers or even job opportunities, and it gives you a list of categories of what area you are trying to find a job in. Or you can look at an overview of all the jobs that are listed in the drop-down bar called Job Opportunities. Right now, it seems like there is only one available job through the city of Rancho Cucamonga, which is to become a veterinarian. So say I was interested in this job, I would just click on it. And it gives me the salary, if it's part-time or full-time, where the location's at, what department it is under, and it just is very informative to let you know if this job is right for you. So if you scroll down, it gives you a list of what you will be doing, what you will be responsible for. It also sees if you are qualified, what any knowledge or skills or abilities you need to have for this job. And it also gives you the application process. It is very easy to apply for a job through your city. I've done this before, and they are very up to date with how your application process is going. You can always check back to see if someone's looked at your application, if it's still processing, etc. But that is all for this week's thread. I hope you guys enjoyed.